Hello, I thought I'd show you what I've made with the latest Papercraft Essentials issue 223 magazine. With it you get a wellness card making kit. So I thought I'd show you what I'd made. I made a few bookmarks. You're strong enough to face it all even if it doesn't feel like it right now. And I've laminated the card. You get the design on both sides and you get these nice pink tassels with the kit. Give yourself time, do what you love. When you get this little folder, it's got writing here and writing underneath. What I've done, I've cut that out and I've used an A5 laminating sheet and I've put sequins and I've laminated sequins onto the sheet. This is a little Buddha. I've just stuck a paper clip on the back and that holds it together. So every moment matters, and a yoga and water lily and a candle, and I do a lot of yoga and burn candles, so this is very apt, this journal. And I do like green tea as well. So it opens up like this. You got this. So which is one of my favourite phrases, because I do on YouTube, there's an older man called Paul Eugene, and he's very good at doing fitness for us over 60s. So, and one of his favourite phrases, he always says, "You got this." So that's very apt. I open it up and I've made all little booklets on it, so you're stronger than you think. And you get all these nice pretty papers inside and all the elements that you see you get inside. Little serene Buddha. I've made like a little pocket here. Make yourself a priority. You get little notelet post-its. Note to self. There's beauty in everything. Enjoy every moment. Make yourself a priority. And I've put this little water lily and a bit of those sticky sponges you get. And you're beautiful, powerful, beautiful, brilliant and brave. And they look like little postcards. And because it's raised, that clips on the pocket there. Over this side, do what you love and love what you do. And this opens up again, and you could put writing or photographs. And there's two relaxing photographs that you get. And again, I've made a little pocket over here for them to go in there. And this is quite a deep pocket, so you could fit another notebook in there. Believe in yourself, every moment matters, never give up. And there we go. Lovely kit.